All right, this is our metal prep and torch cutting station. These guys here are cutting their plates to plate weld, and then this gentleman here is prepping his pipe to weld 6-inch pipe. All right, down here we got the pipe bevelers, Sawyer pipe bevelers. So we got cutting 2-inch pipe here and cutting 6-inch pipe. Let's check out inside the shop. So there's a lot going on right now on first shift. We've only got a couple more minutes left, but let's check out our boiler simulator. And we run this place like a job too, so that's why it looks like a job site. So this guy is running a 6-inch 6G TIG out test. He's putting his hot pass in right now, I believe. Yep, hot passing. Just put his root in. So we'll have QCs come look at it here in a minute when he gets his hot pass in. These guys have been welding a 6-inch pipe here in this boiler simulator, simulating what it would be like to be welding on the job. Heck yeah. We're going to do some chrome welding tomorrow, so we got the chiclets out and the heat stress cords. And then earlier we had a couple students welding in the boiler simulator. So what do you guys think of this? Not too bad for the first time doing it. This one looks all right. Not bad. Not bad. This one looks really good. So we encourage students to get out of the booth and come weld in the different simulators here at the Kentucky Welding Institute. We got the boiler simulator, the pipe rack simulator, and also we have the portable simulators that they can put in their booth. All right, so we got 3 rows of booths. Different students are in different spots here at the Kentucky Welding Institute. So nobody's on the same page because everybody moves at their own pace. What's up? What up? Got a student here. She has been using the mill hog to prep coupons. But anyways, like I mentioned earlier, there's a lot going on. Really, you don't want to worry about anybody else but yourself, because if you do that, you'll get caught up and behind. So just focus on yourself. Go as hard as you can for 6 months. So we start you guys out on flux core first, and then move you to stick plate and so on and so forth. Oh, also, you cut and bevel your own metal here and prep it, just like I mentioned before. And also, there's one of our heater simulators, and then our other heater simulator is down there. We move them around a lot. So here's a student doing some 6-inch pipe. What's up? They all know me because I see all the time video and stuff. So he's padding that 6-inch pipe there just to make sure that he's good enough whenever he gets into a bevel. So this guy's working on some 2G. Yeah, buddy. Right on, right on. This gentleman is working on horizontal TIG. Looks really good. Running that Western welder shirt. They look pretty good. We like them. And we don't mind if our students go union. We don't mind if our students go non-union. We don't care if our student wears one brand of clothing or another brand of clothing. We just want them to be the best that they can be at welding when they leave here, so that they can go into the welding industry, be proficient at what they do, make good money, and provide for themselves and their family, and also, you know, spend a lot of time doing what you want to do. And that's what I've done the last 6 years. Is I used welding to take off 3 to 4 months out of the year and just ride my dirt bike and do my hobbies. So, you know, whatever you want to do or whatever your goals are, you can use welding to get there. You know, I think it's a huge stepping stone for someone who's right out of high school. You can come here, learn how to weld, learn what you need to have to be in the industry, and then go make good money and use that money to invest it, use it to set yourself up for later on in life, and just go see the country and get paid to do so. So that's a little bit about us here at KWI and some of the welding that we offer, and just live action shots of our shop.